Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington, and I'm just looking through the shirts. They have this cute shirt for $10, and they have so many new things since I was here last. I love this little dusty pink shirt, and of course they always have those 2 furs or 3 furs. This shirt is interesting, like if you don't mind showing your belly. It's kind of like a tie-dye cropped shirt. We have a little Winnie the Pooh graphic t-shirt, Mickey Mouse. I love this little black tee, and this one is so cute for $7. Little tie-dye shirt. It says good vibes only. So I love this one. I'm really into tie-dye this spring and summer. And like I said, I think I said it in another video where like you just want to, if you're like at work all week, or you're just at school all week, whenever you're off, you want to wear something fun and something that stands out. So that's why I think I like tie-dye. But they have so many cute shirts for spring and summer here at Burlington. I'm also going to check out the shoes while I'm here. So I think on the way to the shoes, I'm going to check out the purses. See if they have anything that's new over here. I like this one. It's like a zebra print tote. And this is a cute little crossbody. It would fit your phone and some money. And that would be perfect for like a vacation bag. I was thinking of getting this one. I've seen similar purses that Kate Spade has, but hers has like a chain strap. It's kind of more fancy. And I think that would be perfect because it's more cloth, like Vera Bradley, and because when you're on a trip you want to be comfortable. So now I'm checking out the shoes. It looks like they have some Pumas like they have at Marshall's. Those are cute for $13. And these Juicy Couture flip-flops. Some BB flip-flops. Juicy Couture gym shoes. Wow, those are neat. For $23.